Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming eligibility. Do this now. Check the property address for USDA rural eligibility and make sure your household income fits program limits. Gather ID, proof of citizenship, or eligible non-citizen status, and recent pay stubs. These matter immediately. Order a credit report and review for any correctable errors because credit affects loan terms. Once these pieces are in hand, contact an approved USDA lender to discuss pre-qualification and the specific documentation they require to move forward. Now you collect detailed paperwork and formally apply. Submit 2 years of tax returns, recent pay stubs, W-2, bank statements, and documentation of assets so the lender can verify your income. Complete the lender's application and authorize a credit pull. Make sure to explain one-time income or gaps. The lender orders a USDA-specific appraisal and inspects property for minimum standards. You should be reachable to resolve appraisal issues. Keep communication open, because timely responses speed underwriting and conditional approvals. You're in underwriting now, act fast. Respond to requests for clarifying documents, corrected forms, or explanations of credit items so conditions can be cleared. Once approved, review the closing disclosure carefully, compare fees, and confirm funding dates. Bring required funds, identification, and any signed documents to closing. Make sure title and insurance are in order. If an issue arises, denial or delay, ask the lender for specific reasons, correct paperwork or credit issues, and request reconsideration or appeal through the USDA if needed.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.